Tired of a dull kitchen and bathroom? Discover how bold tile designs can completely transform your space. Sarah and Mark stood in their kitchen, staring at the boring white walls. This space has no personality. We need something bold and stylish, Sarah said, flipping through home design magazines. Determined to upgrade, they visited a tile showroom and explored geometric patterns, Moroccan-inspired tiles, and bold color choices. They finally picked sleek black and white geometric tiles for the kitchen backsplash and deep blue Moroccan tiles for the bathroom floor, both elegant and timeless. The workers carefully laid the tiles, bringing Sarah and Mark's vision to life. The kitchen backsplash became a statement piece, and the bathroom transformed into a luxurious retreat. Their friends walked in and gasped, "Wow, your home looks like it's straight out of a design magazine." The bold tiles had completely changed the ambience of the home. Want to upgrade your home? Ditch the boring walls and embrace bold tile designs. Elevate your space with color, pattern, and style today.